What SRH is trying to achieve by melding this international management with creative leadership is to also offer a pathway for creatives from the creative industries to kind of really update and upgrade their business acumen and to be able to use that in management as they grow in seniority within creative agencies or creativity-based companies. I also feel that having these creatives with this business degree work in not traditionally creative companies and bring the added value of creativity and bring it into leadership structures. And I think that's a very potent and very interesting proposition.
What does a media manager do? That's actually a good question. Like, I had an idea when I started studying here first. But yeah, shortly you get into the whole process, and mainly you just organizing and planning anything. There are loads of people working in media management because you can do loads of things with media management. You can work in a radio station, you can go to a newspaper, or even you can go to big festivals and plan with them together and create something really, really cool.
I enjoy the creative industries because a lot of social innovation comes from the world of arts and culture, which has always been a reservoir of newness. And I think many impulses to change society may come from the creative world, and people are needed to transform these ideas into practice.
So my background is as a creative, where I've fulfilled many different functions. What spoke to me about this course is that it allowed me the opportunity to, within this mindset of creativity and using creativity in work, to formalize and anchor deeper my business knowledge around business concepts, about how do you run a business, how do you manage international law, contractual kind of situations, or negotiations, or ethical leadership and HR management, these kind of concepts that I was less familiar with, but wanted to have them kind of much more deeper understood. And that's something that this course really delivered on.
Challenges we have in creative industry compared to others is that it's a really, really fast living branch. It's a trending culture that we have. Like, you do stuff which is really, really cool at the moment. And it's not like you do like finances, you do the whole process over and over every year. You develop with the trend.
As a management student, you work together with students from the creative programs, for example, with musicians, filmmakers, and photographers. So I manage a creative in providing the resources and the structures so that they can flourish and create.
To lead creatives, you have to understand the creative process at some level, right? And I think that's not easy to find. Somebody that can do the business stuff and the creative stuff, right? So there's 100,000 art academies around the world. But there's precious few, if any, creative management studies around the world, right? So I think that's needed. Personally, the experience of taking this course for me was fantastic. I got a lot more out of it than I even expected at the beginning. I really enjoyed my time studying here. I see it in the kind of job offers that I'm getting, the difference for having this course or not. And I'm genuinely happy that I came here. So as far as I'm concerned, 5 out of 5 stars would definitely recommend.